Let's also talk about another type of function. This function gives us some kind of output. You can see in the first function we just call it with an empty input. This one we call it and it gives us some kind of input, but the third function that we're going to talk about is going to give us some kind of output. We're going to get a variable out of it. Let me show you. Let's show you an example. Let's say if we gave this money. Let's say we gave the robot money to buy us milk. So let's say money. Small case, money. Okay, let's say we want to give our robot money. Then we have to change bottles. We have to change it to money. If we do that, we have to divide it by how much each milk is. We can say each milk is equal to $2. But we have to put this in Math.floor. We have to put it in Math.floor so that in case if we have like a number that is not an odd number, so if we give it a money like $15 so that it can get us and give us back a change, and in order to do that, that means the number of bottles we want to get back should be a whole number and not a decimal number. So if we want to do that, what we are going to do is we're going to do Math.floor. Let's put this money thing and let's put it in a bracket, and then we put Math.floor. That will help us to get the upper range of the number of bottles that we want. And then if we are looking at total cost of milk, these bottles we have to change it. Then we can change it to money. Can change it money divided by 2, which will give us the total number of bottles. But we'll bring down this equation here. We'll bring it down here. Let's just copy it. So once we got this here, then we close the bracket. The Math.floor will give us the total number of bottles. Then we can times it by the dollar, and we can have this total money spent to buy the milk. So this bracket here is for the alert. Then, but to get the return, we have to use the keyword return. We have to use the keyword return, and then we can find the change. There's something called modulus, which gives us remainder. Let's say that we were doing like 5 modulus 2. If we divide 5 into 2, it will go in 2 times and give us a remainder of 1. So this modulus gives us 1. Okay, let's say like 10 modulus 6 6 is going to give us 4 because 6 goes into 10 once and give us a remainder of 4. And then if we are doing 10 modulus 9, 9 goes into 10 once and then a remainder once. So if we want to get a change from whatever we are given, if we want to get a change from whatever we are, any money that we're giving our robots, that means we have to do money modulus of the rate of milk. So the rate of milk, you check the money you're giving the robot, and the remaining money the robot will bring it back to you as a change. Then we can come here and we can do it here. We can call it var change, then we give space and give this, and then we can have console dot log change. So let's clear console and let's clear it. Let's first give our robot $20 and see how many milks it will get for us with $20 of money we give to it. Then it will get for us 10 bottles of milk, and then it will have total cost of $20. So it used the whole money. So the total change it brought to us is 0. Let us see if we gave the robots $23. Let's see what happens. It will give us 11 bottles of milk. It will give us total cost of milk will be $22, and then it will give us a change of 1. So you can see with this function we are getting both an output, which is the change. So the robot is bringing back a change. So we have covered the 3 types of function: the ones that has nothing, the one that gives an input, and the one that gives an output.